Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper dish rack stud and roller assembly in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a pair of large pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper dish rack stud and roller assembly. There are 4 stud and roller assemblies installed on the upper dish rack. They support the dish rack and allow it to roll in and out. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it breaks off, jamming the dish rack. To get to the part, we need to open the door. I'm going to pull out the upper dish rack and push it back in, so the rail is going to be out. And now we can remove this guide rail end cap. I'm going to push it in the middle in and pull this tab off. And we're going to take the opposite side end cap the same way. And I'm going to remove the upper dish rack assembly. And I'm going to place the dish rack on the table. And this roller comes off from the stud. So I'm going to take it out. I'm going to use the pliers. I'm going to remove this broken stud also. This is the old upper dish rack stud and roller assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new stud and roller assembly, we're going to place it onto this wire with the cutout facing down. And then I'm going to just push it on. And now we can install it into the dishwasher. I'm going to place all 4 rollers onto the rails. And slide the dish rack in. Right, we're going to start with this side. I'm going to place an end cap on. Bend it and pull it up. And then it's going to click into these holes. We're going to install the bottom end first. And I'm going to bend the center and pull the top on and lock it. So push in the upper dish rack, then I'm going to make sure that the rails are in. And we can close the door now. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.